I'm procrastinating real bad right now. My flight is in 10 hours. I have not packed. I still need to do my laundry, and I'm sitting here eating a bag of Skittles. She ate down on my toes, you guys. That's my box appointment. Pray for me, y'all. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I look a hot mess, you guys, because this is going to basically be a maintenance vlog. I need to get so much things done. I need to get my nails done. Like, y'all, look at my nails. They look chewed up, especially this hand. Like this one is broken, and this one is also broken. So we're about to go get my nails done today, and then we're also getting my lashes done today. So yeah, we're basically preparing for my trip. Today is Wednesday. I am going away in about, I think, 3 more days. I'm going away for my birthday trip, so that's what we're preparing for. We're gonna get our hairs, our nails, our lashes, our wax, everything done, toes done, everything done, because I have been hibernating this entire month of March, and it's April season, it's Aries season, and you know, we gotta come and deliver. So I think I'm ready late for my nail appointment, so I'm gonna stop rambling, and I'll see you guys once I get there. Cozy. Okay, so I just finished getting my nails done. Okay, let me show you guys. Yes, she ate. Really giving vacation on the beach, you know. So cute. Yeah, you guys are really seeing it. Look at that. Look at the details. Look at the pearls, y'all. So cute. I thought I was gonna have enough time to get my toes done, but it's already 3 o'clock and my lash appointment is at 5, so I don't think I might have enough time. I don't think I'm gonna have 2 hours to get my enough time to get my toes done, because my lash appointment is in 2 hours. So I'm actually gonna get something to eat, because I have not ate anything. I haven't tasted water, nothing. So I think I'm gonna go to Zaxby's, which is like a chicken spot, I think. I don't know if I'm gonna go to Zaxby's or Chick-fil-A. Anyways, we'll see. I'm gonna get some food real quick, and then we're gonna make our way to our lash appointment.
I'm gonna charge you this real quick, make it easy. You doing tap?
Yeah. Okay.
If you're interested.
Thank you. So I got some Zaxby's. This is what I got. I got this peach tea drink, but I thought it was gonna be sweeter than this. This just tastes like regular tea. I don't know if I taste the peach. And then I got some wings, some chicken fingers, some fries, and for some reason, something about the South, they just don't give you some toast. I don't know why, but that's some South stuff. But I'm gonna eat in the car, watch something to eat. Yeah, I need to get tints, because I know you guys can see how I'm in a fishbowl. People can see me. So I really need some tints. I'm gonna finish eating, and then I'll see you guys once I get to my last appointment.
Broken hearts were made for two, I guess. And it's so confusing, finding the right ways to express. Being love, it's a fear, it's a drug we do, I guess. An addiction we won't admit. But baby, you should know this. I ain't going. But you should have known it. I wasn't going. I know you know this not changed, but I'll be the one
Period. My lash ain't gonna say hi, y'all. Pretty. Lashes is done.
Alright, thank you, ma'am.
I love a lash.
Thank you, ma'am.
Look at her feet, y'all.
No! Stop! Stop!
She just be putting on anything. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. So I'm a little stuffy because the pollen in Atlanta, it's really pollen, like, and some days I really just be waking up with like allergies. So I'm a little stuffy today. I think I should have got a Claritin because I'm going to work and I know that fume from that glue is just gonna make it 10 times worse. But anyways, it is the next day. Today we have our wax appointment and then I need to drop my wig off, and then I have 3 clients today. So that's the day for today. Yeah, let's hurry up because I wanted to get breakfast, but it's already 9:41. My wax appointment is at 10, so I'm just gonna get breakfast after my after my wax appointment. You know, that's good too because I like to take a shower, go straight to the appointment. No ifs and buts, no worries about that. And then later on I can I can eat and stuff. So I will see you guys at my wax appointment. Pray for me, y'all. So I just finished my wax. It went literally amazing. Like, if you guys want to know what wax place I went to, it's called Brazilian Wax by Andrea, I think that's what it's called, because they don't have like wax centers in Georgia, like European wax centers, like how they have that in New York. They don't have that here in Georgia. So the one I went to is called Brazilian Wax by Andrea, and I've seen a lot of these everywhere, so it's like a franchise basically. Anyways, I'm about to go get breakfast real quick because my first client, I don't have my first client is not until 1 o'clock, so yeah, I have time. So I'm about to drop my wig off. I'm about to go get some food. I think there's a Chick-fil-A around here. Get some food and drop my hair off and then go to work. So I'll see you guys later. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. I just finished getting ready because my hair appointment is today. So I just put my hair in a bun. My hair has been in a bun this entire vlog. It's probably tired to see my hair in a bun, but you know, this is the maintenance vlog, so yeah. So I'm getting dressed right now. I'm gonna wear this Lululemon 2-piece set. Lululemon. And I'm gonna wear my Goya back because I haven't wear her in a minute, so I'm gonna wear my Goya back to my hair appointment. Also still need to get my toes done, and I need to go to Walmart, get some razors, and what else did I need to do? I need to make a list. Oh, I also need to go to the bank. That's what I need to do. So let me write that down actually before I forget. So we're gonna go to the bank, then we're gonna go to our hair appointment, then we're gonna go to Walmart, and then get toes done. And then we're gonna go home because I still need to pack. My flight is at 5:30 in the morning. So are we gonna get some sleep tonight? I don't know because I still need to do my laundry when I go home. I still need to do my laundry when I come home and pack everything. So I want to be done with everything by like 9ish. I mean, not 9ish, but like I want to be home by 3 and then be done packing and everything by like 5. So then I could just rest. You think I could? Yeah, I think I could do that. We'll see. But yeah, right now it's, like I said, I think I told you, like right now it's 9 o'clock. So I'm about to just finish packing my bag and then eat some breakfast before I go. I just finished my hair appointment. Now I'm ready for a beach, baby. But anyways, I am about to go get my toes done real quick. I did get some Chick-fil-A because I haven't ate all day. We're not doing that today. So I got some salad. I'm going to eat that when I get my toes done. So let's go to the salon real quick, get the toes done. And then we're going to go to Walmart. So yeah, let's go inside and see you guys there. I'm procrastinating real bad right now. My flight is in 10 hours. I have not packed. I still need to do my laundry, and I'm sitting here eating a bag of Skittles. So I am gonna start doing something. I'm gonna start my laundry, so at least that's done. Cause yeah, and then I'm gonna start packing. But I'm just so tired, y'all. I don't like packing, but my hair is done. She's long. She's soft. Love her. So yeah, everything is done. Nails is done. Lashes is done. Toes is done. She ate down on my toes, you guys. I'm definitely gonna always go back to her because I have been looking for someone to do my toes, like a nail tech, since I moved down here. And my toes, 10 out of 10. I have to give her a good tip for that. So before I start packing, I like to basically just put everything together so I know that everything makes sense. So I have like my tops, I know what pants I'm wearing, I know what bathing suit goes with what. So that's what I'm doing right now, and this basically makes my packing life so much easier. I just need to do the shoes. I just need to take out the shoes that I'm wearing for each outfit, and then like the bags and the jewelries I'm gonna wear. And then when I'm done, I'm just gonna dump everything into my luggage. But this is like all my outfits. I am missing a few. I do have a few more right here that I need to do, but yeah, that's basically it. So I like doing this because it kind of like sets the idea. Like I know, for example, with this outfit, I'm gonna wear my Goya bag. So my Goya bag is stuff because I wore it today, but I'm gonna wear my Goya bag, and then like some regular, probably like, I don't know, probably like my Hermes sandals, or I could do like some regular brown sandals. So yeah, that's a traveling tip. So you guys, like, you're not just, so that really helps because you're not just like packing everything and then you're like, oh, I do not know what to wear with what. Like everything, the outfit is complete. And I'm here at my house, so if I need anything, I have it here. Versus me packing, and when I'm at the trip, it's just like, oh shit, I wish I brought this with me, you know? Y'all don't really need to see me pack, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I will see you guys on my vacation. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.